Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Crushon AI account. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any browser on your PC and go to crushon.ai. After you go to crushon.ai, log into your account. Then you can see your profile over here. Tap on your profile and go to settings. After you go to settings, you can see the delete option over here. Please note that this action is irreversible. All information associated with this account will permanently be deleted after 30 days. So, if you are sure you want to delete your Crushon AI account, just go ahead and click on delete over here. Click on I have read the cancellation agreement and click on delete account. So I'm going to show it to you how you can locate it once again. Open Crushon AI and log into your account. Then go to your profile, which is over here, and click on this settings option right next to edit profile. You can see delete account, tap on it, click on I have read the cancellation agreement and click on delete account. So you can read this. Are you sure you want to delete your account? In your account you currently have the following assets. So you can cancel the deletion and return to normal use by logging into your Crushon account within 3 days from the date you successfully submitted your account for deletion. After 3 days, the deletion is considered successful and all assets will be permanently deleted and can no longer be used but can re-register. Please proceed with caution. So if you really want to delete your account, go ahead and click on delete it anyway. After you click on delete it anyway, you can now see that you have now been logged out of your Crushon AI account and your Crushon AI account has finally been deleted. So guys, this is how you delete your Crushon AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.